Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today we are going to make wheat rava sambar sadam. Sambar sadam or sambar bhat as you call it. Some time ago one of my subscribers had asked me for some diabetic friendly recipes. Now this is very good for diabetics. At the same time even others who want to take a healthy nutritious diet can also take this regularly. It is good because it has got high fiber and it is also very filling. And we are going to use this wheat rava or cracked wheat or broken wheat as we call it. So for this I will tell you the ingredients. 1 cup of cracked wheat, half cup of Moong Dal, a little bit of Channa Dal, some Dania seeds, Urad Dal, Methi seeds, dry red chillies, the less spicy variety, Hing or Asafoetida, and vegetables for the sambar. You can take whatever vegetables are available at home. So if you have carrots or beans also you can add. Today this is what I have and what I am taking. This is bottle gourd or lauki, some lady's finger, some drumsticks, some green peas, capsicum, onions, curry leaves and peanuts. Now these vegetables like lady's finger, drumstick and lauki are particularly good for diabetics and those who want to lose weight because it's got a high fiber and also water content. So depending on whatever you have at home you can use. Apart from that some salt, turmeric powder and a few spices and oil and of course tamarind paste. Now let's start. The first step would be we are going to dry roast this rava. Dry roast it for a good 5 to 6 minutes on a medium flame till you get a nice reddish color to it. See, now this has roasted well. Just about 5 minutes over a medium heat. I am getting a very good aroma in the kitchen and you see the light golden or reddish color. Remove this into another bowl. Next I am taking 1 tablespoon oil in a pan and we will fry the spices for the masala. So this I am taking about 8 dry red chillies. These are the bydage chillies which give the color and which are less spicy. If you are using the spicy chillies, reduce them to just about 5 or 6 chillies. And then add the other ingredients. This is 2 tablespoons of Dania seeds, 1 teaspoon of Channa Dal, 1 teaspoon of Urad Dal, half a teaspoon of Methi. Methi is also very good for diabetics. In fact, those who are diabetic can soak some Methi in water overnight and first thing on empty stomach you can take. It is supposed to have very good results in reducing the blood sugar. Also, I forgot to mention in the ingredients, just take 2 cloves, 1 cardamom and a small piece of cinnamon and lightly roast them also together. Now when they are done, switch it off and allow it to cool. When cool, we have to make a powder of this. Next we'll stir fry the vegetables. I have taken 1 spoon of oil and add 2 sliced onions to it. When the onions are translucent, you can add the other vegetables one by one. Here I am adding capsicum, the bottle gourd, lady's finger and the drumsticks as also the peas, green peas. Just lightly stir fry them for a couple of minutes. The idea is to have a good combination of this broken wheat and plenty of green vegetables. So have as many vegetables as you like in it. Now let us powder this masala in the blender. See, the masalas are well blended. Keep it aside. Take some water in your pressure cooker pan. Now we have a roasted wheat rava in this. This is the Moong Dal. I have washed it and kept. Add it to the rava. Next, add in the vegetables. Now add about 4 cups of water to this, because you need water for the wheat rava, the dal and the vegetables to cook. Now place it in the pressure cooker, cover it with a lid and cook it for 2 whistles. Now the pressure has released. Let's open the cooker and see how it is done. See, the vegetables are well cooked and done. Let's remove this and keep it aside. For the final step, for seasoning, just take some oil, add some mustard seeds, add some curry leaves, a tablespoon of groundnuts, little bit of hing, now keep this aside. Take a little bit of water and to this add the turmeric powder, salt and also tamarind paste. If you don't have paste, you can use a small gooseberry size of tamarind. Here I am using about half a teaspoon of tamarind paste and allow it to come to a boil. Next, add in this ground masala powder. Next, add this cooked wheat and vegetables what we have cooked and kept. And mix it all very well and allow it to come to a boil. Meanwhile, I have taken half a cucumber, grated it, added some curd, salt and also seasoned with some mustard seeds and green chillies to make a raita, which will go very well with this wheat rava sambar sadam. It has come to a boil. Switch it off. Transfer it into the bowl in which you want to serve. Finally, top it with this seasoning of mustard seeds, curry leaves and groundnuts. This is a meal in itself. It is very nutritious, very healthy with cracked wheat and the goodness of vegetables. I have specifically used Moong Dal as it is a healthier option than Urad Dal. If you like, you can make it with Urad Dal or Masoor Dal also. I have purposely used Moong Dal here. And this raita to go along with it. A very good food for diabetics, Weight Watchers, health conscious and for everybody in the family. So it's a one dish meal. You can have it for lunch or dinner anytime. This way the children also get to eat more vegetables. Do try out this recipe, share it with your family and friends and come back to me on Geeta's Kitchen. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen for more such easy, tasty, healthy recipes. And tap the bell icon for notifications about my latest videos. Thank you.